Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how Starling Bank makes money. But before we dive into the specifics, let's take a step back and ask ourselves a question. Why does a bank need to make money? Well, the answer is pretty simple. Banks are businesses, and like any other business, they need to generate revenue to cover their costs and make a profit. So, where does this revenue come from? There are a few different ways that banks make money. The most common way is through interest income. This is the money that a bank earns when it lends out money to customers. The interest rate that the bank charges is based on a number of factors, including the risk of the loan, the creditworthiness of the borrower, and the current market conditions. Another way that banks make money is through fees. Banks charge fees for a variety of services, such as opening an account, using a debit card, or transferring money. Finally, banks can also make money by investing in securities. This is a riskier way to make money, but it can be very profitable if the bank makes the right investments. So, now that we know how banks make money, let's take a look at how Starling Bank does it specifically. Starling Bank uses a variety of revenue streams to generate income. These include interest income from loans, fees for services such as card usage, overdrafts, and foreign exchange, investment income, revenue from partnerships with other companies. One of the things that makes Starling Bank unique is that it doesn't charge any monthly fees for its personal current accounts. This is a major advantage over traditional banks, which typically charge a monthly fee of around £10. Instead, Starling Bank makes money from other fees, such as card usage fees and overdraft fees. The bank also earns interest income from the loans that it makes to customers. In addition to its core banking services, Starling Bank also offers a number of other products and services, such as Starling Kite and Starling Business. These products generate additional revenue for the bank. Overall, Starling Bank has a diversified revenue model that is well positioned for growth. The bank is able to generate income from a variety of sources, and it has a strong track record of profitability. So, there you have it. That's how Starling Bank makes money. If you're looking for a bank that offers a variety of features and services at a competitive price, then Starling Bank is a great option. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.